Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the single best photo you have. Crop tightly to the face or distinct detail. Open Google Images or Bing and use the camera icon to upload, or drag the file into TinEye. Each engine uses different indexes, so try at least 3. Once done, scan visually for exact matches, then check visually similar results for profile pictures or unique backgrounds that hint at location or organization. Next, broaden your approach. Use social networks' native search and communities where people post similar photos. You can upload the image or examine profiles that popped up from the image engines. Try variations like cropping hairlines or tattoos to target results. Make sure to extract EXIF metadata with a tool if available. Sometimes it contains timestamps or device details. Once done, combine visual clues with profile info to build likely name or location leads. Finally, verify any candidate by cross-checking multiple independent sources. Matching a name to the same photo on different sites, consistent job titles, or local directories increases confidence. If you hit dead ends, try other angles, older photos, or ask mutual contacts for permission to inquire. And if you keep getting false positives, slow down, rerun searches with alternate crops, different engines, and broaden date ranges to eliminate misleading matches and avoid misidentification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.